Hello, good day and greetings everyone. I hope you all are doing fine. This semester, I am taking ABCC1103 Introduction to Communication. My lecturer for this semester is Mr. Muhammad Faizi bin Sohadi and my metric number is 97082012572001. My name is Dira Chandra Bungkias and I am taking course Bachelor in Psychology with Honours in Learning Center OUM Johor Bahru. In this presentation, students are required to present our assignment's answer on question 1 and question 3. Firstly, I would like to begin with Introduction in Communication. Communication is the core of human interaction, waves through our lives, connecting us in profound ways. It is not just words, but a dance of empathy that bridges difference and fosters progress. From ancient times to the digital age, its essence remains unchanged: to express, share, and also to connect. Next, we will go to the first assignment, which is to discuss academically why effective communication is crucial in social media and organizations. And also, I'll be giving you 3 journals articles related to the communication context. In question 1, there is a few points why effective communication is crucial in social media and organizations. Point 1 is social media is a landscape of constant dialogue in building brand reputation. Companies interact with consumers and develop a positive brand image using social media. 78% of customers are more inclined to conduct business with a company that replies to the message on social media. Point 2 is social media can build trust and also loyalty. Social media depends heavily on participation. A sense of community is fostered and user participation is encouraged through effective communication via comments, replies, and also direct message. Next is, social media can set goal alignment and also strategic planning. Any successful organizations need effective communications to function, such as goal alignment and strategic planning. It guarantees the efficient operation, promotes teamwork, and also increase output. Bringing together employee efforts and attaining intended outcomes require clear communication of company goals, objectives, and also strategy. All of my point above is supported by these 3 articles, which is Article 1 is the impact of social media communication on customer relations by Kumar and Bandari in 2021. According to this article, social media has transformed customer relation management techniques. They contend that in order to establish and preserve solid customer relations, promote brand loyalty, and spur company expansion, business need to communicate successfully on social media platforms. The second article is Organizational Communication Strategies for Crisis Management by Smith 2020. The article highlights how important communication is when there is a crisis in a business. The authors contend that the crisis management, risk mitigation, and stockholder trust all depends on efficient internal and external communication techniques. The third article is The Meditating Role of Employee Management, the relation between organizational communication and organizational performance by Kim and Lee 2020. Kim and Lee 2020 examined how communication affects both organizational performance and employee engagement in the context of organizational communication in their paper of Meditating Role of Employee Engagement. They contend that clear and honest communication within companies increase employee engagement, which is boosts outputs like creativity, productivity, and jobs happiness. For question 3, there is a few ways individuals can navigate ethical challenges while maintaining effective communication in the digital age. First is gaining fluency in visual communication. Gaining fluency in visual communication has become a necessity for individuals as well as businesses, given the widespread use of digital tools and platforms. Choosing the right communication channels for the right context and audience is essential for effective communication in this digital era. Next is incorporation of visual components. Studies have indicated that the incorporation of visual components like photos and videos might enhance the effectiveness of digital communication strategies by raising the level of participation. Adding visuals component in your digital communications, including photo, infographic, and videos, can also improve its efficiency. The third point is audience engagement. Audience engagement can be raised and relations strengthened through customized communication that is based on individual interests. Communicators can give viewers more personalized and interesting digital experience by using names and tailoring materials to their interests. Engagement can be greatly increased by adjusting your communication to the unique requirements and preference of your audience. Personal communication that is use the recipient names and take into account to the interest and more likely to strike a chord and create a feeling of community. For question 3, I want to present my practical strategies based on analysis. Firstly, critical thinking and media literacy. In order to distinguish false information and propaganda in the digital age, people need to encourage more accuracy, media literacy, and critical thinking abilities. Next is privacy awareness. Encourage data protection and privacy awareness to keep personal information safe from exploitation and also spying. Next is digital security measure. Encourage the implementation of digital security protocols like secure surfing techniques and encrypted message system to guard against monitoring and also interception of communications. And last one is transparency and accountability. It can promote accountability and openness in communication channels to make sure that data is accurate, trustworthy, and not altered for nefarious reasons. Now, we have come to the end of my presentation, and I want to end my presentation with my conclusion. By working to improve our skill communications, we give ourselves the ability to better negotiate the challenge of today's world and form stronger bonds in both of our personal life and professional life. With this, thank you for listening and see you again.